Welcome aboard. Today we are taking off from Milan Malpensa Airport and flying with Scandinavian Airlines to beautiful Oslo, Norway. Get ready for one of Europe's most breathtaking aerial journeys crossing the snow-covered Alps in winter. From Italian runways to Scandinavian skies, sit back, relax, and enjoy world-class views from the window seat. Let us lift off into a frozen mountain paradise. We are now cruising high above the Alps, one of the most spectacular mountain ranges on Earth. Below us stretch endless peaks dusted in winter snow, a natural masterpiece shaped by ice and time. Notice the rugged ridges, frozen lakes, and deep silent valleys shaped by ancient glaciers. From this height the world feels peaceful, still, and untouched. As we fly north, the mountains soften, forests widen, and the landscape slowly shifts toward Norway, a land of deep fjords and quiet winter light. We're now approaching Oslo, Norway's gateway to the Arctic North. Soon we will be landing at Oslo Gardermoen Airport, surrounded by pine forests and snowy landscapes. Thank you for joining this beautiful journey from Italy to Norway. If you enjoyed this flight over the Alps, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more window seat adventures. Until our next journey, safe travels, and see you in the sky.